Today's video is brought to you by 3 tools: bad knife, $6 scissors, $8 but not worth $8 wire strippers, and wire. Beep beep. We just put the key in, no horn went off because we did that right. Test that, nothing, which is what we expected. Why would it work? Because that's not what we did. Here's what we did. If you come over here on the left hand side, we have a beautiful new, not ghetto fab at all, button. And then someone acts up, you go, hey, hey, and they get the picture. Whereas before, they didn't get any pictures.